this is what we doing today. Took that wide body fender off. About to put these clips in here so this shit stick on there and it don't pop off again. Y'all see that's the little bracket they give y'all right there. But it need to be like hole here, there. So we can stick them clips in there like the factory wide body. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I get that going. Gotta figure out how I'm about to do this. So give me a second and I'll cut you back. All right, y'all, I actually got that bitch to stick finally. This is not coming up. For sure not. That's good here. For sure. Now we in there. Got that shit sticking. Finally. I'm gonna show y'all what the fuck I use too. This shit right here. Some motherfucking alien tape. Some shit you ain't never heard of, but on God, this shit actually work for real. And it's super thick for real. I'll show y'all. Get it the fuck off of here. Well, goddamn, this bitch done stuck to the fucking box, bruh. That's how sticky this shit is. It done fucking stuck to the box. Hold on, let me get this shit up off of there. Y'all see that? That shit was stuck for real. This it right here. Alien tape. You see how thick it is? That's what you need. Nothing else. That shit work for sure, bro. I'm vouching, because I ain't even touched this motherfucker, and you see it's still on there. Any other tape I done used so far, that shit done came up like 10 times. As soon as you touch that motherfucker, it done came up. That's on there. You can see that bitch ain't moving at all. Not at all. So we good there, finally. That was the last thing I needed to do on here. Got that done. So we in there now. I gotta stick this last side piece back on. I had to take him off to get that piece, to get this piece, but that's easy. Just take like 2 seconds. I wasn't having no issue sticking that piece, so we good there. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a second. Go ahead and start it for y'all. Max speed is on this one. 9 miles to the gallon average. That's what I've been getting. Fucking horrible on gas. Top speed 152. That's not doing nothing. Y'all see, I'm about to put that up way, way higher soon. Y'all see, this bitch loaded with every option. See, I got the roof. Never took the seat covers off of this shit, ever. Interior is still like brand new.
Yes, Norman Reedus.
Y'all see it.
Yeah, I have a Norman Reedus.
Sway in the morning.
Take y'all under the hood. Alright. So this is my engine bay. The mods I have so far, I got a ported blower, JLT intake, exhaust cams, injectors will be on tomorrow, and the pulleys will get swapped tomorrow. Only one I have is the upper pulley right now, but I'm swapping that upper one and the lower pulley and the crank pulley. And then the injectors to 1060 injectors. I got the pumps already in, so. And yeah, I got long tube headers, I forgot. So that's pretty much all the mods. They claim it's 1,000 horsepower kit, but I think that's to the crank, so it'll be like 840, 850 wheel horsepower, which is plenty enough, because you don't need more than that. The motherfucker already light the tires up, so. Yeah. Y'all stay tuned though, man. I'm gonna get y'all back together and show y'all everything. Alright. We're gonna go do some pulls in the Audi. Should have the cat out right now, but it's cool. We're gonna pull that out tomorrow for sure. It's supposed to be like 90 tomorrow, so better day for it. Nothing crazy. I actually put it back to the stock tune, so it's only got bolt-ons right now. I switched to APR tune. I'm about to put a Unitronic tune on there, so yep. That was a slight pull for y'all, just to get y'all some content. But yes sir, stay tuned y'all.